Hello, my dear students. How are you? Wish you are fine at your home. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, long and short. So let's start. The length is the measure of how long or short an object is in size. People in the past measured lengths with their finger width, hand span, arm length or step length. The units of hand span, foot span, cubit differ from person to person. These measures were non-standard. Chapter 4, Long and Short. Lally is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. Farmer says, "Can you give me 7 arms of rope?" Then Lally says, "Here is your 7 arms of rope." Farmer says, "But this is only 6 arms long." Then Lally says, "Why don't you measure your arm with this rope and take 7 times of that length?" So the farmer measures his arm with the rope and Lally gives him 7 times that much rope. Measure your arm and your mother's arm. What is the difference? Now measure your arm and your mother's arm. Can you find the difference? Yes, your mother's arm is longer. So you can write the answer like this. My mother's arm is longer than that of mine. How many? In how many steps will Darji cross the road? Okay, so let's guess that in how many steps will Darji cross the road? This is first step. Now second step, third step, fourth step and 5 steps. So total 5 steps. Total 5 steps will Darji cross the road. How many cups can be placed in a line on this table? Okay, let's find the answer. One, two, three. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Total 10 cups can be placed in a line on this table. Next, how many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? Okay, now let's guess. 1, 2, now 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, total 5 pots can be placed to reach the tree branch. Now, how many shirts can be hung on this wire? Let's guess the answer. 1 shirt, 2 shirt, 3 shirt and 4 shirts. Total 4 shirts can be hung on this wire. Now write the answers. Damji may cross the road in 5 steps. Next, 10 cups can be placed in a line on this table. 5 pots can be placed to reach the tree branch. 4 shirts can be hung on this wire. How much is a centimeter? cm. In short form we can write cm. Centimeter. Now take a scale and we have to measure the length of lizard and this matchstick. Okay, like a scale you have to write the numbers. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So you can see from the starting point 0, ending point 13. So the length of the lizard is 13 centimeter. Now for matchstick. For matchstick, one centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So length of the matchstick is 4 centimeter. Now we will measure dice, leaf and wax color. So write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you can see the wax color is 7 centimeter long. And dice you can see 1 centimeter. And this leaf 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write also 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 centimeter long. The matchstick is 4 centimeters long. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. The lizard is 13 centimeters long. Now the leaf is dash centimeters long. You can see. Now you already measured the length of leaf, wax color. So you can write the answer. Okay, now write the answer. Lizard length 13 centimeter. Write from 0 to 13. Matchstick length 4 centimeter. Dice 1 centimeter. Leaf 4 centimeter. Wax color 7 centimeter. You have to write like this. Now write the answer. The leaf is 4 centimeter long. The wax color is 7 centimeters long. Now look at the scale that you find in a geometry box. How many centimeters does it have? Now look your scale. It's 15 centimeter long. The small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Okay? You can see. Is it easier to start measuring from the 0 mark? Look at the things drawn near the scale and find out their lengths. Okay, so let's find the length. This is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Okay. What are the little lines on the scale used for? The little lines on the scale are used to measure smaller objects. These little lines you can see. These little lines are called millimeter. 1 centimeter is divided in 10 equal parts. That we call 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Look for things that are about 10 centimeters long, between 10 and 20 centimeters long, less than 1 centimeter long. Okay. Now first we see the examples. Now here you can see about 10 centimeters long things. Mobile phone, comb, coffee mug. Now here you can see 10 and 20 centimeters long things. Spoon, lunchbox, water bottle. Here you can see peas less than 1 centimeter long. and our nails less than 1 centimeter long. Draw some of them here. Now we have to draw these things. So now you can write the answers like this: 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. The little lines on the scale are used to measure smaller objects, about 10 centimeters long, mobile phone, comb, mug, between 10 and 20 centimeters long, spoon, water bottle, lunch box, less than 1 centimeter long, peas, nail, ant. Okay, now here I draw some examples. You can draw whichever examples you like. How big is my hand? Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page. Which is longer, thumb or little finger? Now take a scale and measure your thumb and little finger. Thumb is longer. So write the answer, thumb. Bring a measuring tape to your class. Guess the length of different parts of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string, measuring tape. Think. How will you know the number of centimeters if you measure with a rope, shoestring and thread? Okay, so we can write the answer like this. First write this answer, thumb is longer. This can be done by first measuring with a rope, shoestring, thread and then comparing with the scale. Now here you have to write your measurement and your friend's measurement. Now instead of friend's measurement, you can take your brother and sister's measurement also. Now measure your nose, your friend's nose or your brother or sister nose around the wrist, around the head, ear, hand tip of middle finger to wrist. Now compare your measurement with your friends. Here I write some measurement. Now if you want to write your brother or sister measurement, then you can also write, otherwise write this measurement also. Now let's find the answer. Compare your measurement with your friends. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? 36 centimeter and 35 centimeter. My head biggest and my friend's head smallest. Who has the longest hand from middle finger to wrist? From middle finger to wrist, 12, 11. My hand. So write my hand. Which is longer, your ear or your nose? Nose 3, ear 5. So ear is longer. Ear is longer. Is any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long? No. If your nails are more than 1 centimeter long, so please cut your nails. Ghibli and the grains. And Ghibli has to reach the grain. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest road? Okay. We will see. Here you can see road D longer, road A also longer, C also longer. Road B is the shortest. Can you draw a road shorter than this? What is the length of that road? Can you draw? I think the straight road from N to the grains. It is the shortest road. So you can write the answer, which is the shortest road B. Now straight road, you can draw and measure its length. Yes, I can draw a road shorter than this, a straight road from N to the greens. Now if you measure this length, then it's approximately 11 centimeter. You can also measure. Hope you understood and enjoy maths. Bye bye. Thank you.